banana oatmeal pancakes. If you're one of those people that love breakfast food like I am, you're gonna love this recipe. We are taking breakfast food onto another level, healthy, delicious, and easy to make. So without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. For today's recipe, we're gonna need half cup of oats, 1 package of sweetener. I'm gonna be using a blend of stevia and erythritol, half ripe banana, a 1/4 cup of milk, preferably any milk replacement of your liking, like almond milk or coconut milk or anything that you like, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and this is optional, but I'm gonna be adding a pinch of cinnamon. Again, as all the recipes we make in this channel, this is super easy, guys. We're basically gonna blend all the ingredients and then cook them in our pan. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is to place our oats into the blender. If you have oat flour, you can use that as well. Since I don't, I'm gonna use the full oats. So dump your oats into your blender. Next step will be to cut your banana in half because we're only using half of it. And now peel your banana. Into the blender it goes, and proceed to add the rest of your ingredients. I'm gonna add my milk now, vanilla extract, baking powder, my sweetener, pinch of cinnamon, and lastly, I'm gonna crack my egg. We're gonna proceed to blend all of our ingredients, and I'll tell you what to do next. Our ingredients are blended, and I'm gonna let my mix sit down for about 3 to 4 minutes. This will help the pancakes fluff a little bit more when we cook them. In the meantime, I'm gonna preheat my pan on medium heat. So let's turn our stove on medium-high heat. Our mix is ready to go, and our pan is preheated. And the next step will be to grease our pan. I'm gonna be using some regular butter. Usually I will use coconut oil because it's healthier, but I forgot to bring it here. Therefore, I'm gonna be just using some butter. Quick trick, guys, just grab your butter bar and spread it all over your preheated pan. Because we let our mix sit for a few minutes, you can see it became a little bit thicker and some bubbles pop up. That means your mix is ready to go. This was a really important step. Always preheat your pan before making your pancakes because otherwise they won't fluff up as good as if you preheat it. Really carefully pour your mix into your pan, just like that. We're gonna let it cook for each side for about 4 minutes, and I'll show you guys when I'm gonna flip it. As you can see, there are some bubbles that are starting to come up on our pancake, and that usually means that your pancake is ready to flip. So let's go ahead. Look at that beauty, guys. So fluffy and delicious. Our pancake is done cooking both sides, and now I'm gonna transfer it to my plate. I'm gonna proceed to do the same steps with the rest of the mix, and I'll show you guys the end result. Our pancakes are ready, guys. The mix was enough to make 4 fluffy pancakes, and I want you to see how beautiful they look. They're so fluffy, and I bet they're gonna be delicious. At this point, your pancakes are ready to eat. But because we're extra in here, we're gonna add some fruit on top of it and a little bit of maple. So I'm gonna be adding some strawberries. Look, this is strawberry. It has a heart shape. That's so cute. I'm gonna put it in here so everyone sees it. Lots of strawberries like that, and a little bit of banana because they are banana pancakes. Why not? I think that's enough. And now let's add our syrup. I'm actually gonna be using honey today, not syrup, and it's gonna taste delicious, I bet. So there you have it, guys. Your delicious banana oatmeal pancakes. Now let's try it out, guys. They look delicious. They're so fluffy and fruity, and I'm so excited to eat this. I think I mentioned this in previous videos, but one of my favorite foods is breakfast food. So let's try it out. I have a piece of each of my pancakes, a little bit of strawberry, a little bit of banana. Let's try it. Holy moly, I think these are the best pancakes I've ever made with this recipe. I've had this recipe for a while now, but I think every time I just keep getting better and better at doing them. They're so yummy. And definitely they go great with their honey. They're so good, guys. I really recommend you guys try this recipe. You're gonna love it as much as I do. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. If you did, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and leave me a comment. If you also want to follow me on my journey, I will be linking my social media down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.